In this video, we'll pretend that our IVR application that we developed in the second video is hugely successful and that we need to scale up the traffic, the number of instances as the traffic grows. Hence, we will add the second Restcomm instance through Juju. So we just specified number 2 units and press enter. No constraint again, and we confirm. So we're gonna wait now. The second instance is coming up, and we're gonna wait until it has completely came up and be started to actually use it. So you can see that in this case we don't have to build a relation between Restcomm and the MySQL or the load balancer and Restcomm again. We did it for the first unit, and the second unit picks up automatically all the relationship that was done for the first instance. So by doing this, we are effectively creating a Restcomm cluster which will be fronted by one load balancer, 2 Restcomm instances, and all those 2 Restcomm instances will talk to one MySQL instance. So we'll wait until the cluster is fully up and operating before we start making new tests and showcasing that the calls are being load balanced to both instances. So we already logged in a Restcomm instance here through SSH, and we'll create a new terminal and log in through the second unit when it will be fully green. So let's check if the Restcomm instance is up. Yes, it is. So let's connect through SSH into the Restcomm instance. Here you can see here the load balancer, and we will tell into the server. Okay, so now we will make calls to the load balancer as we did a couple of times and show that the calls are going to either Restcomm instance 0 or Restcomm instance 1. So we are into instance 1. I'm going to call the IVR application we created in the second video.
Welcome to Restcomm, a TeleStax sponsored project.
I'm gonna press 1 to hang up again. So you can see in instance 1 we got the call. Let's move to instance 0. And we always use the load balancer address.
Welcome to Restcomm, a TeleStax sponsored project.
And we press 1 to hang up. So you can see that the calls are getting there. And this one didn't have any call. Last one was at 3 p.m. 42, and this one it was the register. Was at 3 p.m. 42. I'm sorry, this one was not 3 p.m. 42. It was and 22 seconds. So we can make another call. And we'll stay on instance 0, so we'll see that it's not moving and that the call is getting to instance 1 again, because the load balancer is currently load balancing in a round robin fashion.
Welcome to Restcomm, a TeleStax sponsored project.
And here we just got the messages and I hang up the call. So now we can check also in the Restcomm interface, the logs, so you can see all the calls that have been made here. It doesn't display which instance was used to actually handle the call, but you could see by the logs that we're able to successfully load balance a call between one instance and the other. So this demonstrates that you can actually build an IVR application very easily in a matter of minutes and scale it up as easy through Juju from Canonical, the company behind Ubuntu. So this completes our three-part videos on how to set up Juju and Restcomm together to launch services daily. Thank you.